Okay, so today our animals, which are up there, where are going to be bungee jumping. So, this is our close-up. Ready? Here we go. Ready? I'll say go because. Ready? You are now preparing to bungee jump in 5, 4. Woo! Okay, you are now preparing to bungee jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody, you guys have to go back up, and you can see them like bouncing and stuff. Ready? They have to go back up and because they get 10 turns. They have 10 turns, so this is their second turn. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! Wait, I think! Oh no! Oh, come on, Sarah. Sorry for our technical difficulties. I will just entertain you while she presses. Betty, instead of using, probably just attach ours, like that, so they won't fall down together. Although you'll be really, really high. I will have to follow it. Entertain them while you look. Yeah. Got it. Whoa! Okay, and by the way, I'm supposed to stay for today. So if you like this video, you please subscribe to them. You should subscribe to me. Okay, pretty much. Betty, they're gonna be bungee jumping off one line because I attached your purple line. Okay. So here we go. Take two. In 15. Take two. Take two. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! And then attach to the line. Number 3. It will smell just real. Take 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. That was funny. I'm just like, what do it? Okay, no, it's just virtual line. They're not the virtual line, but we're trying to. Okay, so now I need to entertain them. Oh, there. No, got it. By the way, take 6. Gorgeous, hot. Got it. 6. Okay. Cool. Well, you are there. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, I'm going to go drink. Okay, now this is what they were on. If you want to do this, so in our camper we have like a little split. So then we attach this to it, and I put a little knot so it will stand. And then these two are attached to one line. There's 2 lines. One line here and then one line. And then they're all attached. Yeah. So, earlier, we pretty much were making them fly. Oh, yeah. Earlier, we were making them fly. And well, now we're gonna make them fly again, so just entertain them. So if you subscribe to her, subscribe to me because I do the same stuff. Oh, and you better watch Webcam's wedding because that's not how I use her fix this with the 3 and she started it. But it's actually like kind of funny, but there's just like a lot of talking. And I'm playing the piano, the wedding song. Yeah, and I am the gorilla, right? And the chihuahua. And no, I'm the chihuahua. No, I'm the chihuahua and the reindeer. No, I was the chihuahua because I have a picture of her. No, I'm saying the chihuahua and the reindeer were mine. Yeah, and I have like 16 webcams now because my dad was on. And I have the cleverest gorilla, like that fuzzy pink one, and she has the blue. And where's your one monkey? Where is your one monkey? My one monkey? Oh, it's over in the corner of my bed by my pillow, on the side where all the writing is. So you should really check out the cleverest gorilla on webkits.com if you have a user. And the silverback gorilla, because I have a love monkey. That's mine. Yeah, I know. My buddy. The love monkey and and this is Pro Piece of Webcams. He doesn't look like one because his paws are sort of weird. Okay, once we get a silverback gorilla, they'll be competitive for him for the wedding because they're both pink. Okay, so right now we're in our camper. This is why it doesn't really look like it's a real house, but it's actually kind of better than a house down here because it's nice and like cozy and warm and stuff. So yeah, this is our last week down at camp, so we're trying to make it fun. And our turtle died. Yeah, he just died today. He's resting in peace in turtle heaven. Where? Yeah. 1 second, just show them how this stuff flying thing works. No, I want to see it. Okay, so, get a balloon, leave a little bit of string off of it, then attach those two. I can't find this thing, and then just attach these two, then this is the whole, 1 second, I just have to try this. Okay, so this is the thing. This is how the whole thing works. This balloon doesn't have like one of those that can fly up in the air. This balloon, we found this outside, so obviously it's not gonna fly. Or else it would have been gone. So yeah. Okay. Now we will take these off and attach my big monkey. No, ready? This is them flying. Woo! 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 So, yeah, this is my sister down here. Well, that's my sister. Like my feather sticking up. I have a feather. Nope, it's right here. Oh, I get it. See it? It's blue. And then Maddie has a pink feather. And then here's his right here. And then this is Kelsey's feather. Right there. Okay, so yeah. I got a lot of candy. We both got it. But I got the most because I have a lot of this. And then this is, everybody has the same amount. Pretty much. This is a lot. Everything fell out. I'm going to squirt you someday with this. If you come that on us. Squirt. And I'm going to paint your eyeballs. And they were playing door prizes, and then I got this little paddle ball thing. I got the squad! I have the weirdest. It's fine. Oh wait, ready? Ready? Let me show them. Ready? This is me putting my thing in my mouth. Ready? Just do that. This is like pretty much a private video. I want some! What are you doing, Hannah? Looks like a turtle. Okay, now it's... That was sour. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Now... Oh, it smells like barbecue chips. I'm BBQ. Now try also. Nothing. Whoa. She has a Smurf toy. What? I know, because Margie over there was handing out toys, and I found one in the bottom. There were really Smurf toys in there. I know, I found one at the bottom. They were all from McDonald's. Okay, so everybody here is madly in love with candy and barbecue chips, except for Maddie. What's wrong with her? Like seriously, who doesn't like barbecue chips? I don't like nuts or caramel either. I only like clips. Oh, right now we're watching SpongeBob. So yeah. This isn't my regular recording place. I had my old table. Let me put it on this so it can be closer. And then there's the table. This is like our technical table pretty much now. Yeah. So this is what we're eating. And they're delicious. Yeah, they seriously are delicious. I got a good one. I got a good one. Look at it. Yeah, I got a good one. Oh yeah. I never saw this one. What? I never saw this. To get that aggressive side. Huh? To get that aggressive side. That green thing that all. Oh, I saw that.